Welcome to Biba, and thank you for joining us. I am TK.
To our fantastic subscribers, a big shout out to you for being the heartbeat of our community, and to our incredible viewers, whether you're here for the first time or you're a seasoned member of our Biba family, thank you for making us a part of your day. Your choice to watch means the world to us. Today's unboxing will be a mini handheld vacuum. One of my resolutions for 2024 is to keep my soccer mom car cleaner. I am hoping this lives up to all the hype and that it will be the magical wand, or should I say vacuum, that will clean away all my problem, at least the dusty ones. Let's check it out. Flip cap to empty bin with one click. This vacuum has 4.7 stars on Amazon at time of filming. Twist to the right to open or change filter, and twist to the left to close. This is referred to as the mouthpiece. It blows air, enabling you to get dust from crevices. You can inflate, blow up small things such as balloons. It has a brush attachment. Yep, an attachment for my attachment. According to Amazon's listing, the motor speed is 75,000 RMIN. It comes with 2 HEPA filters. Awesome. The filters are washable and reusable. The stainless filter traps larger particles, while the HEPA filter goes inside the stainless one to filter smaller particles. USB charging port. Suction nozzle plus brush. Squeeze and pull to disable the brush. Push back up if needs it. It has 2 settings. Medium 30 minutes of cleaning and maximum 20 minutes of cleaning time. It has a light, which I find to be very handy, especially for crevices. This vacuum is a keeper. It's lightweight, very compact, fits comfortable in my hands, easy to empty. The suction and blow power is awesome. I'm very happy with this buy. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more content. Wishing you all a season filled with joy, laughter, and the perfect gifts under your tree. Until next time, happy holidays and stay merry.
Ho, 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 ho!